In my talk today, I will focus on how the global COVID pandemic has accelerated smart manufacturing. Companies in the manufacturing sector have realized that they need to drive three major outcomes. Number one, build greater productivity and flexibility into their manufacturing operations. We've seen this through the rapid production of vaccines and examples like repurposing automotive plants for producing ventilators. Number two, companies have realized that they need to build greater resilience. Resiliency in supply chains has become very apparent today. Number three, sustainability. Sustainability is becoming more and more important globally, whether it's energy reduction or reducing carbon emissions. To drive these three outcomes, smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 provide IT/OT convergence today, as well as a host of technologies that enable these outcomes. These technologies include edge to cloud compute and storage. Technologies include ability to run sophisticated analytics. Also, the ability to run pervasive artificial intelligence with digital twins and digital threads. 80% of manufacturing executives have said that data and analytics are key to realizing these three outcomes that we spoke about. We have access to data. We have a lot of data, but data could be stuck in silos. It could be in data lakes. Most people agree that we have today an abundance of data, but not enough business value. To drive digital transformation and accelerate the value from data, we need a strong ecosystem of partners to come together. No one company can do this alone. An ecosystem should include automation companies, IT companies, engineering services companies like Tech Mahindra, and others. These companies together should be driving innovation to accelerate smart manufacturing. I want to close by thanking the Tech Mahindra team for this opportunity and congratulating Tech Mahindra on 25 years.